Alrighty, I've got an unusual one for you guys today. This cab over custom car hauler is a 1958 custom cab, which was previously a fire truck. This customer, which is a good customer of ours, which has a lot of classic cars, and he owns a lot of restaurants, and actually, I don't know, cars are his hobby, so he picks up a lot of projects. Was using this truck regularly until he decided to downsize his toy collection, this being one of them. It's got slide out ramps right here. It's got LED lights all the way up the center. As you can see, the winch and you can see the cable is in perfect condition. It's barely been used since the conversion was done. Even has a wireless controller for the winch. Half our new trucks don't even have that. Got a big old winch plate up there. Still got a lot of the toolboxes and compartments and things that the fire truck had. I guess this was a water truck, so where the tank sat, now it has the bed. Inside the truck still in great shape. This is a gas motor. I'm not exactly positive on what era of motor would have been in this truck, but it is a gas motor. One of my guys checked that the other day. Plenty of storage room. Load our winch. She's old, but it has survived pretty well. You have to imagine being government owned or fire department owned. They took good care of it. Tires look to be in really good shape too. I hadn't paid much attention to that. They almost look new. Falcon tires. Let's see if there's a date code. 2014, so fairly new, but lots of storage. Very unusual truck. The outreach on this thing was crazy once we posted it. Of course, it's only 20 grand, so this bed conversion alone for a ramp with ramps and lights and a winch and all that, shucks, that's probably $25,000. So it's kind of a steal for what it is. Not something you go drive to Florida and back on a regular basis, but he did register it as an antique, so personal property tax and inspection's not really a big deal. About the only thing I could speak of other than just age-related stuff is it does have a crack in the window right here, which is a double pane, so it still operates and goes up and down. But cool vehicle. I mean, if you wanted to put something up on it for display, you got a restaurant or a car shop, put your antique car or something up on there and logo it, put it out front. Kind of kills two birds with one stone, gives you a classic and gives you a novelty conversation piece, but a functional piece. And even had one guy talk about using it for his ATVs and side-by-sides. You could fit two side-by-sides on here. I think this measures out 21 or 22 feet, so you could definitely put two side-by-sides on there and a crap pile of spare parts and luggage. Got the little trucker girls on there for the mud flaps. But really, really, really unique little truck. There's our info right there. 20 grand. Showing 55,000 miles, and that is a good chance that's original miles. Double headlights, spotlights, all the cool stuff they had back in the day. And if you want a regular tow truck, dump truck, whatever you're looking for, Davis Auto Sales has it in stock and ready to go. Give us a call anytime. Happy to help you. This truck is on our website currently. I think it's the 27th of February right now, 2023. Thanks for watching.